Hello there, this is Aaron Morrison. It is March 26, 2026, and I am here demonstrating in this video the location of the small cemetery that is located here within Brickyard Nature Park. So as you can see right before me is the walkway. I'm in the southeastern part, roughly, of the park. So I'm going to turn right here and look right at where the graveyard is located. It's roughly about, maybe 40-50 feet from the walking trail. So walking up, you can see some initial grave marker right here. Susanna, wife of Joel Daughtry, buried there. And if we go over here, here's another marker, Abraham Horner. So there's two. There's a third grave marker here, a Hannah, so wife of Abraham Horner. So Abraham Horner and his wife. So there's three markers. There is a base for a fourth. Presumably the headstone is maybe buried somewhere nearby. I'm not certain. So at least 4 stones. Oh, here's another one. Here's a fifth one. So 5 stones at least located right here. And there you go.